Right, consider this chemistry question. Which of the following compounds will form a solution if exposed to air? So very good. We have the substances here on the board. This is sodium triisocarbonate 4 decahydrate. It's a hydrated salt. This is what we call washing soda. Washing soda. Now, this is sodium nitrate or sodium triisonitrate 5. This is copper 2 sulfate, that is copper 2 tetrasulfate 6. This is calcium chloride. This is sodium tetrasulfate 6 decahydrate. This is what we call global salt. Global salt. This is a salt. Now, to answer this question very well, you need to understand the concept of a fluorescent compound, the liquescent compound, and hygroscopic compound. So, first of all, a fluorescent compound are those compounds that lose their water of crystallization when they are exposed to the atmosphere. They lose a part of the whole of their water of crystallization. So a good example of that, you will see that such substances, they always contain water of crystallization. A good example of that is option A and option E. So both Na2CO3 then H2O and Na2SO4 then H2O. So they can lose a part or the whole of their water of crystallization. We have more examples on that. Now, the liquescent compound, you need to understand hygroscopy first. Hygroscopy is a process whereby a substance absorbs moisture from the atmosphere when it is exposed. So that's general hygroscopy. But when that substance now forms a solution with that, when it forms a solution with the water absorbed, it becomes the liquescent compound. So examples of the liquescent compound, we have sodium hydroxide, palette. We have calcium chloride. So we have phosphorus 5 oxide. Let me write PO2H05. We have potassium hydroxide. So and we have magnesium chloride. So at least these are the common ones. So since they need the one that forms solution, check. But hygroscopic some compound, those that only attract moisture but do not form solution. We have copper sulfates. So we have what we call quicklime too. That's calcium oxide. So we also have sodium nitrates, NaNO3. And then we have H2SO4, tetrasulfate 6. So you have to master this. So it's for you to remember. These ones, they absorb moisture, but they don't form solution with it. So, but this one too, they can also be, all what you have here, they can also be examples of this. Because the concept of hygroscopy is when a substance attracts moisture. So if it now forms solution with it, it becomes the liquescent. So that's why all of these are also examples of this. So, but we are interested in the one that forms solution with it. So if you check the options, you see that calcium chloride. So it belongs to this. So the correct answer for this question is option D, calcium chloride. Thank you.